Have you ever wondered what makes the difference between product and quality product? Operations and compliant operations? Customers and happy customers? Business and successful business? Implementing BatchMaster ERP. So, what is BatchMaster ERP? A solution truly for food and beverages, paints and coatings, specialty chemical, pharmaceuticals, personal care and cosmetics, foundry, fashion, retail and POS. Manage back and front-end operations. Promote quality standards. Discover potential efficiency. Ensure balanced demand and supply. So, embrace the difference and outshine your competitors with BatchMaster ERP.